What's up guys, real quick, I won't take too long, so this video I'm making only for the trading ideas purposes. You take the chance if you want to take the trades, either not. So what do we see? What do we see literally on the daily chart? Our bias for the day, my one is being up. For the gold, I got 4 pairs. I'm gonna make real quick the review for all those 4 pairs, and I'm gonna try to make it daily. Yeah. So for the gold, what do we have here? Yeah, we are on the bullish trend. Everybody can see we was yesterday at the resistance zone. We had a beautiful rejection, and now a beautiful bullish candle. So today basically I was expecting to be bullish, not bearish. My bias for the day. Everybody knows how I trade is break and retest strategy. Yeah. So let's see, what do we have? We got the Asia high, the Asia low. Let's just extend that like that. So basically what I was expecting to break it and then coming back up, retest and move to the highs. That's even the plan for now. Yeah, if just in case on the how is it called, on the New York session that we're gonna come here, I won't look for the retest and take it short. I'm gonna wait for the break to take this high, or maybe this high. Yeah, come to retest, and then I'm gonna take it for those highs. But that's only if it does on your session. I'm not gonna take a trade if it's on Asia, because the Asia is too late and I'm gonna wait for tomorrow. So for today I would wait as well for the break of this, for the retest, and then take it up. We go. On the GBP JPY, let's see real quick. My bias for the day, we literally clearly we can see we are on the uptrend. Yeah, yesterday has been bullish, so today I was bullish. Let's see. So what do we have here? We had here a break, yeah, and a retest, and we could take the chance. I don't know, you could take it to put here the highs and targeting, I don't know, like you had 1-to-1, so you might gonna get a loss. Either I'm most likely I would take a loss on this case. Yeah, but still, even if here is a loss, yeah, I'm gonna wait either right now, oops, to break it back again, to break this, let's say this high, to break this high, oops, to retest, and then I'm gonna take long. Same stuff. If it comes back here, all the way down here, fakes this low, let's see, put it this way, like that, we're gonna jump back in, we're gonna break some highs to the low, to the left, retest, and I'm gonna still go bullish. Guys, don't forget, even if you're taking a loss, that's a part of the game. It is what it is. It's nothing what we can do about it. GBP USD, what do we have here? We do have here a beautiful break and retest strategy, yeah, but to be honest, that was a real quick scalp. That was literally a real quick scalp, just because I don't really, sometimes I do take trades like that when it's super clear, and by risking like 0.25% from my capital. So let's just see real quick, what do we have here on the daily? Yeah, on the daily, what do we have here? Is bullish engulfing. I'm definitely, overall we're up. Yesterday's price action tells me we are bullish. What we might gonna head towards to, I assuming to this area. So, but it doesn't really matter because we're trading break and retest strategy. So my bias for today is being up. Let's see on the 5 minutes what's gonna be on the 5 minutes. Yeah, I wouldn't consider that as a break, because if you're checking down to the left, we didn't even break not even this high, you see. So I wouldn't count that as a break of AJ high. So anyway, but that's like for another video. Basically, if my bias would be like to the short side, I would take this one definitely, but I didn't take that one. I took that one, but as a small break and retest strategy. It seems so easy to take it. But anyway, guys, what I was expecting on this day is to take to break something to the left, and then retest it, and then to take it long. Either, how you see, guys, it faked below, yeah, it went back in, liquidate this high, comes here. I'm gonna wait right now to retest, and I'm gonna take long. But I'm telling you, if the fake out is just like that, yeah, just don't be afraid. Put a like bigger stop loss just in case it comes down bigger, deeper, and you can target it those high. It's still gonna be 273. RR is pretty decent. It's pretty decent. And for Euro USD, what happened? I already did my analysis, so we see we are on the bullish trend. Yeah, we had a pullback, resistance, beautiful rejection, beautiful bearish candle, yesterday's price action, and today I'm gonna expect to be bullish. And what happened? We didn't have no chance to get it, because the reason why, yeah, came here, bounce, came here, kind of bounce, but it didn't fake below that, so I'm not considering here the entry. So it went down below, beautiful. What's gonna be right now, it can be come here to be like break and retest strategy, yeah, but it's the fact that we are bullish, yeah. I won't take the shorts here just because it's gonna be a how is it called? It's gonna be a loss most likely. Maybe it's gonna work, but I wouldn't take a chance on that. So what I'm gonna wait for? I'm gonna wait here, maybe it's fake like that to take this high, because when it takes some highs, yeah, from the zone, for me, I feel more comfortable to take the trade, even if it's gonna go like that. And by the time, most likely, the EMA is gonna be below that, I'm gonna take the retest and I'm gonna move up. What's gonna be my entry here? Stop loss maybe if it's gonna create some lows here. I'm gonna take 2 lows or 1 low, it depends how far it's gonna be, and I'm just gonna take it like that. And that's gonna be 2.81. Big stop loss and pretty nice take profit. And that's almost 3 RR. So basically, that's my bias for the day. I won't take this trade, because if I'm gonna take this trade and it's gonna work out, I won't take the second trade. That's my rule. So basically, that's the plan for the day. If something will gonna play out, feel free to take it, because that's pretty decent. That's pretty decent trades, and very nice and easy basically to take. Is literally the reason that I'm taking from this one is just because, think about it, guys, makes like that, makes fake back into the zone, retest, looks like inverse handed shoulders, and no handed shoulders, whatever it's called, inverted handed shoulders, and we're just taking. But I don't trade these patterns, it just looks like, and the reason why it just is a break and retest strategy for me. But it's good to look at it on this way as well, so it can give you more confidence to take it. So yeah, guys, that's the ideas for the trades for today. If you guys if you have any questions like about how do I analyzing and doing all the stuff properly, you can call me, but you can literally, that's just ideas, and it's very nice, it plays out very nice. That's my plan. So see you guys in the next video. Don't forget please to like, subscribe and comment down below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.